The Sydney Institute of Marine Science is a collaborative research and training institute, and also we are a non-profit organization.
We host a range of different research projects that researchers from other institutions, local universities can come and facilitate their own projects. We have key focuses on habitat restoration, on conservation efforts, on climate change and how we can be involved in mitigating the threats that climate change places on our oceans and the marine species that occupy it.
SIMS is located in the Sydney Harbour National Park. It's a non-remote field station. We pump daily 1.3 million liters of seawater into our facility.
We at Xylem are often contacted by customers who see our products on our website or are looking for something that's pretty specific. SIMS approached us looking for a water quality instrument to be able to put at their intake.
Here at SIMS, we are somewhat fortunate in that we have a constant flow-through system which maintains the water quality relatively well, but water quality can change pretty quickly. We're on the base of some hills behind us here, and this can lead to runoff or pollutants entering the water.
There were so many challenges that we had to overcome. There was a marine refuelling wharf out there. It's in a national park. The fact that it was heritage listed.
We conduct experiments with live animals, and our primary focus is make sure that we provide them good quality seawater.
The data that we're collecting, including the water quality data that we get for the aquarium and for the water that's coming into the aquarium, we want it to be as accurate as possible to ensure that the science that we're producing and outputting is as rigorous as can be.
The SONS platform is specifically designed to be in challenging environments such as rivers, lakes, dams, estuaries and oceans, which is why it's a great solution for SIMS. Because the EXO's long-term deployment is reliable and calibration is only required every 3 months, this means that we have seamless monitoring of continued, robust data that the customer can be confident with. With advanced anti-fouling technology that we can apply to this to put in the oceans and the central cleaning wiper, this instrument can now be deployed for long-term successfully, providing good quality data in the most challenging environments.
It's very nice, it's pretty exciting having the ability to visualize live data and also the parameters of the seawater.
Having the data and the information for the water and the water quality that's coming into our systems gives us the confidence that the animals are kept in a comfortable environment, and we know that we're putting the welfare and the well-being of these animals first. It also ensures that the research output is reliable and applicable elsewhere as well.
We can see the impact of SIMS when someone from the public, they know about SIMS, they know about the living seawalls, they've seen them around the harbour. It makes you happy as well because you know that you're working and doing something good.
I feel proud to work alongside some incredible researchers, but also to be able to conduct research of my own that enables us to develop these understandings of the animals, but also have a clear impact on the environment and the marine ecosystem as a whole.